Yeah. Oh.
The sun dips low, the sky turns gray. My feet ache from this endless day. Dust on my shoes, my soul feels frayed. Yeah. Oh, recliner, my sweet old throne. You whisper rest when I'm alone. Lean me back and let the world dissolve. No more question, no problems to solve. The TV hums a distant tune. The clock blinks red, it's almost June. My blanket waits soft as the moon. The world can spin without my say. I'll let it go, just fade away. Oh, recliner, my sweet old throne. You rest when I'm alone. Lean me back and let the world dissolve. No more question, no problems to solve. Every cushion holds my weight, like a hug from an old roommate. It creaks, it groans, but never breaks. So the comfort it creates, yeah.